Color grading and color correction. You might ask, what's the difference?
Color correction is correcting the image to the view it actually was. So your footage might be too light, well then you need to correct it so it looks more realistic. Color grading is making the footage more than it actually was. That could be adding a black and white filter or oversaturating the footage. Let's go to the color tab. You could find it up here. If not, go to Window, then go to Workspace and select the Color tab. From here you can change everything about color. I'm not going into depth with all of these settings, but I will show you a quick and easy way of color grading or correction. Just use this Lumetri color window over here. Within the tab Creative, you see an option called Look. By clicking onto that, you can change between different presets of your video. To make it easier, there's a small preview window underneath there. Just move right or left to look how your footage is going to look. If you're satisfied, press on the small window and it will be applied to your selected footage.